7 documents. What the fuck? Try again. Why isn't this thing working? Come on, print. Come on. We might be way here. Yes! She's working! Yeah!
You're tired of fuck.
So much better take your frustrations out on something that's productive. As you can gather from watching me with my printer, as my stress levels rose, my pain got worse. It was because I had pre-existing pain that I responded poorly. At MMT, we've been dedicated to getting people out of pain since 1999. In order to get to know MMT better, you need to get to know me better. I've been on a lifelong quest to discover the truth. This is how my life looks. Come with me. Hey. Get in, Racing. Go. You alright? Are you alright? You want to go again? Yeah, alright then. G'day guys. Yeah, I'm gonna jump over. G'day, it's Ninja and Reishi here. The ground, up to the sky, jump! I'm in. I'm in. Yeah. Let's do it now.
Okay, I just want to talk about sports massage. And just the plumber got me tool on that blocked up gutter. Right in with our skeleton. So that's the main thing we want to do at this point here. So we can kind of move around. Move in ways you don't normally move. Shake it out. Let it go. Move ways you don't normally move. Explore your body.
The cornerstone of our business has been our signature intuitive deep tissue bodywork. We use this in combination with our barefoot primal movement and deep connection. We've helped thousands of people using this process. Clean first, build second is a mantra we have at MMT. By this we mean we want to clear the foundation first. So get rid of the pain, the blocks, the restrictions on a physical and mental level so that we can build. We don't want to build on a rocky foundation. We want to build on top of shit. We want to build on a clear foundation so then the movements can be pure and pain-free. You are the expert on your body. We are the plumbers. We just try and facilitate your healing. We try and unblock things. Do it in an intuitive manner. So we'll pin things, hold things, and tune into how it's feeling when it's melting. And we always ask for feedback. Does that feel like good pain, or does it feel like it's traumatic and bad pain? If it's good pain, we know it's going to be better in the future. The body is an instrument, not an ornament. We focus on how you feel, how confident you are, how you perform, rather than how you look. We get the body to move in alignment with the way it was engineered. The pure and raw movements were designed to squat, to carry things, chop wood, dig holes, climb trees, and sprint. Best thing ever. With coaching, it's our job to facilitate you to get where you want to go. What are your goals? We're here to support you and challenge you and keep you accountable, keep you on track. We believe that self-development is a very important thing that we should do in our life. It's important to figure out who we are, what makes us tick, what are your values, what's important to you. It's really important to have these deeper discussions, have these deeper thoughts, and work it out. Who are you authentically? What do you want to experience in your life? Where do you want to go? Attachment is the source of suffering. It's important that you're able to have a method you can collapse your emotional charges, so you can work on the benefits of the challenges you've got in your life, but also look at the drawbacks of things you're infatuated with. There's a little phrase I like, harvest the wisdom. We live such a busy life with always go, 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 production, production, production. But in order to produce more and live a richer life, we have to really slow down at times so we can kind of take in the messages, take in the lessons that we need from the day and process it. You can process things when you're stopped and slow down. You can't process things when you're distracted and doing things all the time. So it's really important that we can take the lessons and then not have to relearn them over and over again. Process things, digest things, take the lessons on, and then live a richer life. Being in nature is an essential part of being healthy. Want to expose yourself to lots of different surroundings, the beauty, the elements, and the seasons. Being barefoot is a signature thing we do at MMT. We love it. Just makes life so much richer. We just feel everything. We feel the cold, we feel the hot, we feel the rough, we feel the smooth. So get barefoot, guys. You are what you repeatedly do. Excellence is not a one-off act, it's a habit. So if you want to be truly healthy and fit, you need to build these habits into your life and keep them there. Having fun and having humor in your life is essential. You've got to have a laugh, guys. Do it with your mates. It's one of the things at the end of your life that you'll remember is the laughter, the good times that you've shared. So get that into your life. We're spinning around in a rock in outer space for all we know, so don't take life too seriously. Join in the cosmic giggle. Community and connection is an essential part of life. You want to find your tribe. Find people that are like-minded, that are on a similar mission to yourself. Find a place where you fit in, where you're accepted for who you authentically are. So no matter where you are in the world, MMT has something to offer you. If you can't get to the clinic, you can do a video consultation, or you might be interested in one of our online courses. And if you're really keen, want to take a really deep dive, try an in-person immersion experience. You won't regret it. Let's get it done.